How to copy a note on Google Notes to Google Docs. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy a note on Google Keep Notes to Google Docs easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Keep Notes. Now this is the home page and this is the note that I want to copy to Google Docs. Or what you have to do is click on it and keep clicking and go to the top corner and choose copy to Google Docs. And there is another method. Click on your note and now this is the note. Go down and click on those three dots right here and click send and choose copy to Google Docs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.